Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make Add Yours 2024 in Instagram. So let's get started. First, click the plus icon and then head over to Story and then choose your photo. Once you've got your photo, click this sticker icon at the top. Now from here, you can choose between Add Yours, a picture, or Add Yours music. I'm just going to pick Add Yours music as an example, and then you just click the plus button in the middle, and now here, you can choose from any music that you want to add to your story. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.